What's your name?
Rosie.
Roji.
Yes.
And your?
Zusha.
Jusha.
Yes.
Roji.
Zusha.
Jusha.
Yes.
Okay, nice name.
Nice.
Only cleaning, okay?
بالطبع عرفتي أحسن.
This is alcohol.
Yes.
Yeah.
I feel.
So, are you feeling like a pain?
Now it's
Something
going to
feel
go pain.
No.
Little bit.
Little bit, just like a feeling, but not pain. Okay? So you don't worry. First of all, I will mark, then you confirm me. Okay.
بعد ما تشوف.
Side please, side please, side.
سنة كده كيلو ونص قبل عقد.
Okay.
Prograda.
ثاني.
Give the mirror. Yeah, mirror, mirror. Okay.
Good.
So confirming the mark and do you do sometime yoga?
No.
Okay. Today I will do. Just like a take breath. When I will say. Okay. Little. Take breath and normally drop
Okay,
out.
okay.
Okay. So when I will say that. So don't worry. Process is okay.
זה לא נראה לי כזה כואב, עשיתי כבר פעם.
nothing. So Roji ma'am, what do you do?
Now I do.
Take breath. Very nice, very nice. Very nice.
كيف ذا تمام.
Okay. Wait, wait. So what do you do? What's your profession?
Teacher.
Teacher.
Yes.
Wow.
She's.
She's teacher.
Yes.
וואו.
Wait.
וואו, זה
Wait,
כאב.
wait. Don't.
هو زي التسخين هاي
Wait.
بتمشي ببكسر.
וואי, וואי, וואי. רגע, למה הוא לא סיים אבל?
כי עכשיו הוא שם את הנזל.
אז מה עכשיו עשה רק פה?
זה אחד.
So of which subject you teach?
לא לשבת.
What is this?
wait.
Can you tell me what is this?
What? Teach...
Which subject do you
אח,
teach?
אח.
Okay, tell me.
Teenager.
Okay, teenagers.
Finish?
No, wait.
למה לא?
Almost done.
כואב לך עכשיו?
לא. קצת כאילו. הוא לא הכניס את זה? לא הבנתי.
Like this?
זה לא עד הסוף.
You not
Yeah.
need to do more inside?
No,
more?
I
Like
will, I
this?
will, I will do.
Ah.
First of all, I'm telling hygiene. Cleaning is
Now?
most important. Earbud and Dettol or Savlon cleaning.
Now.
Okay, like this.
You do it, I do it.
I'm doing, but you will have to do daily.
Tomorrow.
Daily you will have to do.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Just like the piercing, care is most important. Okay,
Okay.
like this, and underside also. Okay.
Okay.
So both side. And I am giving some space.
Okay.
Just like you can see, first of all, give the mirror.
עכשיו הוא הכניס עד הסוף?
כן, כן.
First you see yourself in the
כואב זה היה
mirror.
בהתחלה,
You see.
הבנת?
פה זה לא ראית בכלל מה
You
היה
see
לך בחיים
yourself
שלי.
in the mirror.
אוי, אבל זה ענק, אבל זה יפה.
וואו, זה
אוקיי.
גדול.
And what?
It's a little bit big, no?
Yeah, because it stirred, big stirred. Because if it will not be big, then skin will touch to each other, and it will be injury. Okay. And when it will be healed, you will have to change this jewelry. Understand?
After I can change?
Yeah. After healing, you can change.
No, I cannot put something small one?
No.
No?
Because,
Why?
because
Wait.
it's a healing process, and skin should need like a stainless steel, pure gold, or like more some piercing jewelries qualities
אני לא מבינה כלום.
like that.
Yes.
Okay, but not under 15 days. After 15 days you
2
can
weeks?
change. 2 weeks more than.
עוד
Okay.
שבועיים רק אפשר, לא הגיוני, אז איך חייב במאמי הסילתן? מה זה העונג הזה?